Physical therapy assistant is perfect for anyone who wants to be able to help others and problem solve and always be active and moving in their profession.
Right now, the need for physical therapy in general is so great. Studies have shown that physical therapy can help provide relief from pain and certain ailments that maybe surgery or medication is not appropriate for. So a lot of our patients are really benefiting from physical therapy, and it's a lot more widely used now. And so there's a huge need across all settings, in the hospitals, in outpatient clinics, and especially in home health settings. What sets Blinn apart from most other PTA programs is our statistics. So we've got the 100% graduation rate, 100% licensure rate, and 100% employment rate.
I get to work one-on-one with PTs, PTAs, and the patients themselves, and they're so incredibly grateful for what we do and just us being there, and the patients all love to tell their stories, so they love to share, and it's always rewarding.
I think that our faculty does a phenomenal job of truly getting to know our students, learning their strengths, their weaknesses, not only academically, but personally as well. We are all very committed to doing whatever it takes to get our students through this program, and I think that that speaks to the caliber of education that we're providing here at Blinn.